Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I wanted to show you our brand new, just released mini quilt kit, which is called Gathering Season. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know we've got these little mini quilts for just about every season. So this one, again, comes with the pre-printed panel, the really pretty fabrics. I love the fabrics in this. It's got this really dark brown with like acorns and oak leaves. It's got this little print with all these little sunflowers on it. It's really beautiful. It also comes with the little hand-dyed buttons, which you see in the centers of the sunflowers. So this is really cute, and we're doing an early bird price on this. If you order it between now and September 22nd, 2024, you get $9 off. So you'll want to check that out. This is what the kit looks like. You get the printed pattern, full color, all of the fabrics, the little squirrel panel, and I don't know if you can see them, but the little buttons are also included, all at a really great price. Early bird price, you save $9 this week, so make sure you head on over. So I mentioned we do have a series of these little mini quilts now, the kits. This is our Christmas one. You might want to pick up the Christmas one while you're getting the Gathering Season fall one. They go together in an afternoon. They're so fun and easy. I think that's why they're so popular, is because they're so quick. Now we also have, like, going back to spring, we've got our Butterfly Fields one. I just wanted to show you the hanger. We also have a hanger available for separate purchase, a hanger and the little hooks. And what's great about these is it makes it so easy to swap out all of your different seasons. So you could put your Christmas one up, your fall one, just with this little hanger. And so you don't have to put a hanging sleeve on the back of your quilt or anything. It makes it so easy to hang. So since I'm talking about fall things, and especially our little Gathering Season with the squirrel and the mushroom and the sunflowers, I thought I would show you a few more fall things that we have in our shop. So squirrel themed, we have this kit for these really cute linen and lavender. You could use them as a sachet. You could use them as a pin cushion. It comes with all of the felt, the printed color instructions, the filling for them. So this is a really cute kit to pick up, and it kind of coordinates because it's got the squirrel and the mushrooms too. So it's a nice coordinating kit to go along with our Gathering Season. And then this one also has a squirrel and mushrooms. So, you've got a really nice little, you could do a little, bundle for yourself of these really cute squirrel and mushroom themed projects for the fall season. So they're just really fun to work on. A couple of other things we have in the shop right now. We've got our fall project bag. I love how nice and roomy this is. It's got this gusset bottom, so it's nice. Got lots of space inside for travel, vacation, putting your toiletries in there, or putting little sewing projects in here. It's really cute. We love this one. We've got several different fall themed books in our shop. Just a couple of them are the Autumn Quilting, and I'll show you the back of it. This one has 9 different projects. So we've got piecing, we've got leaves. This one says autumn. We've got little trees and houses. That's really adorable. And this one, Quilts for Autumn, has autumn, and it has some Halloween type projects, 11 projects in this book too. These are really a great price. So these are great to have in your quilting library. You will want to pick up some of our autumn quilting books. What else have we got? We've got our very popular, we've got several needle minders. I just thought I would pull out the Fox because he's particularly fallish, and he goes kind of with our critter theme with the squirrels we were talking about a few minutes ago. Our needle minders are very popular, so we've got that. And then we also have several fabric collections in the shop. So we've got this little half-yard bundle of Halloween-themed fabrics. This would be great for making like trick-or-treat bags or placemats or mug rugs or something like that for the Halloween season. And then we've also got several fall-themed fat quarter bundles in the shop too. Again, great for those projects like making placemats or a scrappy fall quilt. So lots and lots of things for you to have fun with in our shop. Please check out our Cozy Stitch Shop, and don't forget that you have this week to get the early bird price on our Gathering Season mini quilt kit. Have a great day.